Hey, you want to see me in a chicken hat?
Right now?
Yeah.
Why don't you wait till the end?
Oh, okay.
What's up, guys, and welcome to Tasty Tracks. This is a show where we listen to albums and tell you the tastiest tracks on the album. This is the quarantine edition. So I, Jen, am here in Los Angeles, and then we have
Kelly, who is
where
out in the middle of nowhere in farmland, drowning in a sea of hay and dirt and dust.
What have you been saying about the coronavirus? Like, now everybody has to live the way that I live.
Yeah. Now now my life is socially acceptable. I'm fine. I've been in therapy. Had therapy this morning. I feel great. I feel great about myself. You don't go out socially, do you?
I do.
Do you want to see the surprise I have for you?
Oh my God, yes.
This is my dad.
What?
This is my dad. What? This is my dad. What?
So
What is happening?
I know. He's waving. He's got his saxophone, his vest. I honestly didn't really for a long time. I knew he was there. He's always, we've moved to a lot of different houses. He's come with us to all the houses. And I never really thought about him because he's just always there. And then I thought, that's a pretty weird thing. My cousin's convinced that he's haunted.
Are you ready to get into this album?
Okay, so we're doing pink with an exclamation in the middle instead of an I.
Pink Hurts to Be Human, 2019.
For Malin, who requested this 500 years ago. And we finally did it.
A pandemic won't stop us, Malin.
No, it will slow us down slower than we usually are, but we won't stop. This would have been done over a month ago, but I had a huge meltdown. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't gonna be funny.
Oh, I didn't realize you were funny in the other videos. Come on,
Sing.
You set me up for that. You set me
Sing.
up for that. You set me up for that.
I did. You just laughed so hard at your own joke that you wheezed. You sounded asthmatic.
Okay, so what is your tastiest track?
My tastiest track is We Could Have It All. The kind of 80s-y, poppy, drivey. I knew immediately when I heard the guitar intro. I was like, yeah, that's the one.
Did you even listen to the lyrics, or you just...
No. Oh yeah, no. Lyrically, I would say the one that I liked the most was Happy, because I related to that one. And then the chorus has that 4, I don't know if you call it 4 on the snare, but ba 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 boo, ba boo, ba ba. I love that too. Love it. What's your tastiest track, Jensen?
You already know.
Yeah, 90 Day Fiancé.
What is that?
It's one of my favorite shows. What do you mean, what is that?
I don't know what that is.
Oh my God.
What's 90 Day Fiancé?
It's a reality show, and my good friend Casey told me about it, and I kind of rolled my eyes because I'm like, oh, I'm too good for reality shows. But then I watched it. It's about people from the States that fall in love with people that are from another country, and they fall in love, and then they have 90 days to either decide to get married or to basically shit or get off the pot or forget it. Because that's how long the visa, the K1 visa or something is.
Oh my God.
It's
wow.
So good.
No, it's just 90 days.
Okay.
It's a very serious song.
It's a very serious.
Very serious breakup song. You know I love this. You know I love it. I don't know. And the fact that it's a duet, I'm just super into duets right now too.
Are you?
Just hearing both voices, yeah.
This is kind of a duet that we're doing.
We're partners
We are.
in this.
Yeah.
And right away I was like, that's it. That is the song. That one is for me. So no question about it from the beginning. And I just listen to it over and over and over again, as I do. Just run it into the ground. Beep, 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 until I can't stand listening to it anymore. Because it has unlocked all the pieces of trauma in me, and I'm like, I can't go there anymore. So that's kind of where I'm at with the song.
You've like had a whole relationship with the song.
I did. I had 90 days. This song is my 90-day fiance.
So my question for you is, have you ever, because she says, what is the lyric? Like, clear you out of my system in 90 days.
Is this working?
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Mom, don't call.
Kelly?
Mom, what are you doing?
Hello, hello, hello. Is this working?
Shirley just Zoom bombed our show.
Okay, so have you ever gotten over someone in that short of time?
No. So that was my pick. I had a relationship with it.
You're taking a break
up now.
Okay.
Taking a break, but I still have love in my heart for the song.
Well, those were our tasty tracks.
Yeah, that's sad. No. Maybe a little higher energy.
I'm almost out. I'm almost drained. Well, my coffee's almost gone, so it's time that we say goodbye. If you have tasty tracks that you would like us to talk about while we intermix it with other crap that isn't that important, please tell us in the comments or write Jen a nice email. And we'll get right on it in 6 to 9 months. It is like being a teenager, so I try to act like a bratty teenager. I'm really not, though. I'm super mature. Hey, Mom! Go get the meatloaf! Mom! Because I think you kind of like thought she was hot, but then she turned out to be a D-bag, and like that really angered you. And,
yes, which normally I'm into that.
Ma! Meatloaf!